Hi guys, back again with another video. Now in this video we're going to take a look at the Spigen Rugged Armored Pro. So this is for the Galaxy Watch 4 44mm, this one. So we'll be putting this on that and then see how to actually install it first of all, and then talk about what to expect from this. So there are some limitations, there are some things that I did not like about it, and there are some things which I liked about this. So we'll be talking all about it. There are some compatibility issues too, so we'll be talking all about that in the end of the video. So let's go open this up and then install it on the watch and then talk more about it. Let's go. Okay, so let's open this up and then see what do we get in this. So this is the Spigen Rugged Armored Pro for the Galaxy Smartwatch 4 44mm. Now let's see over here. Okay, so it says smart lock technology and stable mount. Nothing here. Okay, so you have the installation guide. So take the watch, put it in, press it, and you're done. So okay, so the pricing is over here. So it's actually for 2,699, but I got it for 1,800 something from Amazon. I'll put the link below. So, and it's made in South Korea. So let's open this up now and then see what do we get in this. Okay, the watch strap, actually the watch case. Let's remove the case out. Now this is how it looks like. It's completely made of rubber. The quality is really good. You have some carbon fiber carbon graphics over here and over here. Everything else is plain black, no contrast at all. So the texture is really good. The quality of this is really nice. It's really strong. You can bend it how much ever and it goes back to the same shape. So, and I like the texture on the strap also. Especially like the metal locking system that they've given. Let's put the watch in now. So to put the watch in, you'll have to remove the strap first. So you have to remove the lock from here and remove the straps. So with this case, you cannot use any straps. You'll just have to put the watch in and that's it. So make sure you put it straight, make sure the buttons are aligned, and then just push it in from the back. Now for the first time when you're putting it in, it will be a little hard, but once you put it in for the first time, then it will gradually get a little loose and you will be able to put it in without any issues. Okay, so that way, and lock it in place. So there are two locks. So once you push it, okay, it's locked and it's done. So let's take a closer look. So this is the button port, no issues. The speaker, no issues there. The sensors are all exposed, no issues with that, and the mic is over here. So everything is precise. So the quality is top notch. So no issues with that. The only problem though is the temper glass. It is pushing the temper glass. Let me try aligning it a little bit. Okay, I tried aligning. It is become worse now. I have 4 bubbles. So that's how it looks like. So let's talk more about it. Who should be buying this, and is it good for you or not? Okay, so you guys have seen the video, so let's talk about it now. So what are my thoughts about this? Definitely this is a rough and tough case. So you do not have to put an extra strap for this. So it's one piece. You just take your watch out and then put it in and you're sorted. The only thing I have a problem with is the temper glass part of this. So I have a temper glass on it and it keeps pushing the temper glass out. So in one corner, if you can see, I don't know whether you'll be able to see it. So there is a bubble forming over there, so it pushes it. So if I adjust it, the bubble comes out from somewhere else. So it keeps doing that and I keep pushing it away. So I've been using it for the past 1 week and this is a constant problem. So that's something which I did not like. Other than that, I have no issues with this. It's really good. The quality is really nice. So the quality is really nice. Everything is accessible. You will be able to use the bezel function on this also. So it allows you to do all of that. So no issues with that. But look wise, I think it does look rough and tough, but it does not have that how do I explain this? It's not really differentiating the body with the bezel, the corners and all that. Like the Watch 4 actually looks quite beautiful. This gives me an image of a Casio, like a like my ProTech. So it gives me a image like this in my mind, but when I keep it next to it, this is vanilla. So this is very plain. Even though they have given this carbon kind of thing here, I would have liked it if that was more around it, and it would have given it some, I mean, a dual tone thing, something like that. Now this is black, there's a grayish version also, but even that has a similar feature. They look the same, so it looks good as a rough and tough watch, but it does not really look like a watch 4 anymore. So that beautiful screen, the elegance and stuff is gone. So it's meant to be a rough and tough case, and it does that, and it does that beautifully. So all in all, excellent one. You know now that how it will look like. I will be putting a video for my Rinky case, so that is this one. So this will look your this will actually protect your watch and make it look beautiful too. This is going to protect your watch and make it look more rough and tough. So the choice is yours. Whichever you like, you can go for that. So that's it for this video. If you like the video, please subscribe with the like button and do comment, and I'll see you again with another video. Bye bye.